Hello. How to Ferret here. Tunneling through the internet to learn how, so you don't have to. Are you tired of scrolling through your Instagram feed and seeing posts that don't interest you? Maybe they did something that made you angry, perhaps they've gotten just a bit too meta. Whatever the reason, if you're ready to say goodbye to your Instagram account, then this guide is here to help. Now, Android users, if you're asking yourself, what the heck? Why can't I delete my Instagram account on my app? Well, don't worry. Just go to a web browser, follow these simple instructions and you'll be accountless in no time. It's kind of strange and unintuitive though, right? Now, ready, set, and go to Instagram.com on your browser. If you have multiple accounts, be sure you are logging into the correct one. Who knows, it may be the best decision of your day. Once logged in, you will then need to go to a different deletion website. Yep, that's right. You can't even get to it easily or directly from your account profile or settings. Don't worry, the link for that site is in the description. Now aren't I a nice ferret? Ensure the username matches the account you want to delete. If not, log out to go back to Instagram and sign into the correct account. Fill out the reason for deleting your Instagram account. Sadly, you can't skip this, but you can tell them something else if you don't want to say why or if your reason doesn't fit their options. They may judge you, but as a ferret, I don't care. Ferrets don't judge, ferrets just tunnel. Unfortunately, they do force you to re-enter your password. Super annoying, but hey, maybe that's why you're deleting them anyway. Now click on the delete button that also shows your username. You should get a pop-up window asking if you are sure you want to delete your account. If you are, click OK. They will then confirm and provide you with an email. Luckily, if this was done by mistake or you have the regerts, they will be sending you an email with a link to reactivate your account. Just be sure to do so by the date they provided. Thanks for watching and letting me, the How to Ferret, show you how. Check the playlists for more how-to content and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for even more. See you in a bit.